So you found your deeper calling or purpose, started your business, built an offer, started marketing, attracted clients. Now you're working with them and you're exhausted. You've got a million tabs open on your laptop. You have a launch coming up, a half-built funnel, and you're wondering what the heck is going on. Can I keep doing this or am I going to burn out? The good news is in this video, I'm going to help you quickly course correct by exploring a specific part of your human design and gene keys charts. Exploring these parts of your charts is the key to building a truly prosperous business. This is the kind of business that allows you to do the work that you came to this world to do in the most fulfilling and impactful way, in a way that generates income without compromising your well-being, your values, or your lifestyle. Most entrepreneurs never reach this point in their business where they're creating true prosperity because they're always adding more to their business, more offers, more funnels, more team members, more complexity. And the part of your charts that we're going to explore today are all about coming back to simplicity. This is step 5 of your unique 5-step business blueprint based on your human design and gene keys charts. We'll be exploring your gene keys pearl sphere, which is your human design conscious Jupiter gate, as a way to scale your business simply and sustainably. You can grab your copy of the blueprint plus your free gene keys and human design charts by downloading the Gene Keys for Business Quick Start Guide in the description below. Exploring your pearl answers the question that most entrepreneurs never ask. What can I stop doing? The pearl is about distilling your entire business down into its most pure and sustainable form so that you can actually reap the fruits of your labor and use your money in a fulfilling, rewarding, and impactful way. In my private coaching and group programs, the very first thing I do with my clients is help them get crystal clear on what a prosperous business means to them. This means getting clear on the vision for your business, as well as your core values and how you want your personal life to look, so that the two of these can intersect beautifully. We do this before we step into the 5-step blueprint, where we realign your entire business with who you are and what you value based on your design. From there, we run through the 5-step blueprint with step 1, getting deeply in touch with your inner calling and deeper purpose, and ensuring that your business is answering that calling and taking you on the path that you want to in your career. Step 2 is aligning your offer with your core gift and your expertise, your wisdom, the experience that you've gathered along the way, to make sure that you are at the top of your game with your thought leadership and that you are showing up in your fullest expression and delivering the type of transformation that you're truly capable of. Step 3 is aligning your messaging, communication style, and marketing with who you truly are, so that it starts to feel natural, and so that you're being yourself and you're deeply resonating and attracting your best fit clients. Step 4 is personal branding, really elevating your brand to ensure that your core gift and truest essence is coming through in your communication, so that there's no gap between who you are and what you're conveying. And then finally, we revisit the pearl, where we ensure that nothing that you've built has taken on a level of complexity that you can't handle for 2, 3, 5, or 10 years down the road. We want to make sure that this thing doesn't spiral out of control as you continue to scale. Maybe you had a vision to begin with, and then your business started to grow and it started to kind of take on a shape of its own, and it's become something unrecognizable. The pearl is going to help bring you back to your center and realign all of those things through the 5-step blueprint. The pearl doesn't reward hard work and complexity. It rewards alignment and simplicity. The most prosperous version of your business isn't the one that's making the most money or getting the most recognition or looking really polished on the outside. It's the one that's actually working and supporting your well-being. If you've experienced burnout in your business before, or you feel like you're heading in that direction now, your pearl is your built-in sustainability check. In the next video, I'll help you audit your business so that you can pinpoint exactly where you're creating complexity and limiting yourself from aligned success.